Welcome to netvn. In this video I would like to show you how to create a tool to check the internet connection on your Windows computer. Usually we check the internet connection by opening a command window and using a command called ping. Instead of repeating that, we will create a compact tool instead. Here I have a text file and the commands you save with the extension bat. You will then get an executable. To run this file, open the file with administrative privileges. It automatically checks the internet connection on your Windows computer. In addition, it also tells you the public IP address you are using. You wait a moment for me to show you how to optimize it. First of all, you copy and paste it in the C partition of your computer. Next, you create a shortcut to the executable that has just been created. The purpose of these steps is to reduce your operations. This file will automatically run with administrative rights on Windows. To do that, customize the shortcut as follows. I have a second text file that I have prepared to customize the shortcut. After you finish customizing the path to the executable, save your changes. Now you just need to double-click to run the target file. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.